guys, how are you? Hope you're all good and all making money. Today I have a big gift for you. It's a site that allows you to earn really easy online money without doing nothing. So guys, as you see, this is an exchange sites like local Bitcoin and Unichange, something like this. But the different thing here is this site allows you to earn really easy money, and for me I see that this site is one of the easiest way to earn money online by doing nothing. So to earn money here you have two ways. The first one is you have a free faucet here. You see down in the bottom you find BTC faucet. You just copy your Bitcoin address here and click to verify, solve the CAPTCHA, and then claim free Bitcoin. Sends your earning amount to your wallet. Okay guys, so let's go to the most important, or the second way to earn on the site. When you open the site you will find the affiliate program here. I'll put the link of the site in the description of this video for guys who want to register to the site and start earning. Affiliate program, you click it. Okay, when you open affiliate program you will find this page. Okay, to join the site you just put your username here, okay, and your email address, okay, anything, password here, and repeat the password. Click to verify, and then solve the CAPTCHA and click registration here. Okay, let me explain and show you the rules of the site. You earn by USD amount for every visitor, guys. When somebody clicks your link and find this page, automatically when the site open you get 0.04 USD dollar. Okay, 0.04 USD dollar, and here's extra additional profit. Read here guys with me. Here it says if the user charged by you uses the exchanger monitoring service, when somebody exchange you get an additional 0.01. When this visitor returns to the site in 7 days you get an additional 0.02. If he returns in 14 days you get additional 0.03. Returns in 30 days you get additional 0.04, and that way till 0.09. And if this visitor registers to the site by your link you earn 15% of his income, and if this your referral get another referral you earn from this second one 5% of his earning. So you just register to the site as I showed you, and do that. I'm gonna log into my account now and show you how to make those withdrawal settings. Here's my username and password. Okay, login. Here's my account, guys. When you log in to your account, you'll find your affiliate link here. Okay, affiliate link. This link, you guys, you should publish it and give it to your friends to register by you, and as soon as any visitor open the site you get 0.04 USD dollar. And so guys, when somebody uses my link, just show you, let's suppose I'm a visitor or I'm someone who watching your video and used your link and open the site, okay, as I'm doing now. As soon as the visitor open the site just like this, you get 0.04 without you register. No need to register to the site by your link. Just a visitor uses your link and open the site just like this. You get 0.04 USD dollar. So now let me show you how to use your how to put your withdrawal settings here. Accounts for withdrawal. You find this mark add. You click add. Okay. Here guys, you can use many different ways like Perfect Money, USD, Perfect Money, EUR, Payeer. It's a Russian site, Russian bank, Kiwi, and OKPay, Bitcoin, Advocash, PayPal. So guys, use any way you want. You just use Bitcoin. You copy your Bitcoin address and paste it here. Then you click your password, current password here, and click save. Then when you reach $1 of earning, you can withdraw. So minimum withdrawal amount is only $1 USD dollar. So guys, I hope you all get benefit from the site and earn easy free money. Don't waste your time guys. Don't waste the opportunity. Just join the site and use your referral link. Any visitor who open the site by you, you get 0.04 USD and you can earn an additional money from him if you registered and bring more referrals. So good luck all guys to make good money from this site. It's really amazing site and has a small minimum withdrawal amount, which is $1 USD. So good luck all guys, and thanks for watching the video. And tell me your opinion about the video and about the site in the comment. And if you like the video, just put like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys to watch my next videos and to know how to make more online money. So thanks again guys for watching the video. See you in the next video. Goodbye. For people who want to join the site, I'll put the link of the site in the description of this video. So see you in the next video guys. Goodbye.